Wasn't anticipating on coming here. I was going to be exploring some mines on the other side of that ridge. But I decided to check this out since I haven't been here since the 2000s, early 2000s. Neat little cabin area. The tunnels and shafts are that way. We're not even going to go check those out. They're all sealed up. There's just absolutely nothing there for us, except for disappointment. They've been sealed since 2000. And this is one of those unique desert cabins that I've taken you to many times. Well, I actually brought out wood on this one. I didn't bring any supplies for this one because, like I said, I was not planning on coming here. Okay, so this door's still sealed. Okay. Because you can seal up the doors. There's always one door that's still open. See? Yeah, this is one of the much nicer ones. People take really good care of this one. Oh, wow. So when the last time I was here, there wasn't a propane stove here. That's pretty cool. A lot of nice supplies. Nice radio. The last person up here was May 22nd. Yeah, this is one of my favorite ones. They've cleaned it up a lot since the last time I was here. Guest room. So a little chance of hantavirus in here. Yeah, just one of those other unique desert cabins in the middle of nowhere. I'll catch you guys on the next one.